Hello everyone, my name is Laksmi. In this video, I'll guide you to make your own mask, so check it out. These are the materials that you'll need: scissors, fabric, a pencil, needle and thread, disposable mask, and 2 elastic bands. We are going to use the disposable mask as the shape. Fold the mask, stretch it. Fold the fabric, and now we can trace it. Leave about a ½ inch of an edging. Then cut the fabric. It should look like this, and cut the other fabric. Place an additional layer on one side of the fabric and then knit the curve. Do a similar thing to the other fabric. And then knit them like this. When it's done, carefully flip it over upside down. And then knit the elastic bands like this. You can do an undercover knitting or just a regular straight knitting. And it's done. Let's move to another type. Prepare the fabric and fold it like this. The width is about 9 centimeters. And then open up the fold. Until it becomes like this. Place the elastic bands on the fabric. And fold the fabric. You can twist the fabric to make your knitting tidy. And then knit the fabric carefully. until it becomes like this. And then lift the pin. Do a similar thing to the other side. Then flip the mask over upside down. The second mask is done. You can place an additional layer inside the mask. The additional layer is an extra protection against dust and 2019 novel coronavirus. Keep ourselves safe, our family and other people around us. So everyone watching this video, make sure to sanitize your hands, stay clean and don't forget to wear your mask since we are all in COVID-19 pandemic. Stay safe everyone, have a nice day.